आ गया उसमें
रोलिंग
आ गया
Rolling.
ओके अब आपकी कहानी वरुण कि किस do you have a story to tell us about your advent in Kabul?
About my what in Kabul hai? My entry. We started off with the promo, right? So I have a nice story about Surbi, because we were on our way to shoot the promo, and I was with Anand, who is the creative of ZTV. Or he picked me up and we were supposed to pick Surbi up, but Surbi was going to take another 10-15 minutes. So she asked Anand to come upstairs, and Anand in turn asked me to come with him as well. So I was like, I'm really okay, you know, I am absolutely fine sitting in the car waiting. That's no issues whatsoever. He's like, no, please come. She's asked both of us to come. So, and that's my first, I hadn't met Surbi before that, yeah. We were on our way to the promo and I reached her door and she opens it and I'm apprehensive before that, not knowing how this is going to pan out. And she's like this live wire that opens the door. She's like, hi, you're Varun, right? You're the new guy who's going to be shooting with me. Come inside. And I'm just like, what is happening, you know? Is this
like that, seriously.
I'm like, is this real? Is this for real? And what are you going to have? You're going to have some water? No, you just hold on for a second. She goes running inside her kitchen and she gets 2 glasses of Sprite. And I, like a jerk, say that I'm really sorry, but you know, I'm on this diet because I'm supposed to be losing some weight before. So I'm really. And she's like, oh, you're on a diet? Okay, just hold on for 2 seconds. I'll get you some water. You know. So I'm like, I'm thinking to myself, what is happening? Is this actually happening? And that just took such a load off my shoulders, you know, because also after that was a 2.5 hour drive to the location where it was so important, those 2.5 hours, that she made me feel so comfortable that by the time we started shooting, our first shot was as though I've known her for a long time, you know. So kudos to her that she really took that extra effort in making me feel comfortable. I don't know if it was extra effort. I think it just instinctually comes to her. But whatever it was, I'm grateful to her for that. So that was my first entry into Kabul. And even Aditi, because I said, I mentioned earlier that she has been doing the show for a long and she's been working for a long time. So even before, I'm a little reserved before unless I'm not sure how the person opposite me is going to react or how he's going to conceive me, he or she's going to conceive me. So even with Aditi, it was literally half an hour. It's just that one point where you know, okay, this is going to work out just fine, you know. So like that. And Pupa, as she mentioned, was exactly how it happened. It was just open arms and one tight hug, and it's been like that since then.
That is so beautiful. You see, I think that's what I enjoy being on the set or being with you guys, whether it's actors or whether it's crew, because even crew keeps changing ever so often, and you just know that in the span of maybe 5 minutes, even 5 blinks, it's like it's changed from, you know, I am this, to suddenly it's like hoo hoo ha ha, and as if, you know, you guys known each other for donkey's years. And that's what makes me, as a person, an observer, that how is it so easy? Because initially even I'm a little reserved, it may not come across like that with everyone. But yeah, I take a little time to just say hello, unless of course I've already been a fan of those people on screen. Then it's very easy for me.
Yeah, actually, I just asked for the surprise.
My first line, if I remember correctly, would have been like, I just find you very pretty. And I don't call her beautiful. I mean, I've yet to call her beautiful.
And trust me, I would say that
My God.
Aditi, you're really lucky because, you know, a woman complimenting a woman
Yeah, it's rare.
is very rare. She's complimented you. I have told you, you magnetic, you know,
Even the first
you
thing when I
carry
met
a
you.
very,
I
yeah.
was sitting here on the stairs and
Yeah.
they were looking into...
We both, as
You
you
were shooting the nikah.
And they were doing something.
we both were just funnily, I mean, scrolling through the phone.
You were showing me your daughter's picture.
Yeah, I was, you know,
So
we were
I
just.
just clicked some candle and she says, I don't come well, you know, मेरे photographs अच्छे नहीं आते हैं. I said, किसने कह दिया आपको photographs अच्छे नहीं आते? She said, well, you won't be clicking me. And I said, I already did, and I just showed her the candid I took of both of them
Yeah, it
looking
was-
into their phone. And they're like, I didn't even know you clicked. I said, that's me. But to me, every face has a story to tell.
Definitely.
And who tells you that you can't look good on camera? अगर गलती है तो photographer की और किसी की नहीं.
जब वैशाली है तो I think
exactly.
it's
I
sorted.
always
Sorted.
love faces. I love
And
faces.
trust
And
me-
मेरी तारीफ ना करो तो please.
नहीं नहीं
And
please
we would
क्यों?
also like to compliment you that we love you, Vishali. Trust me. We really love you and we look forward. In fact, that day when you came to set and we were she clicked both of us, then it was like out of shot, out of screen, out of sight, out of. And I'm saying, where is she? She was just here. Roshali.
गायब.
She's like that only.
She was just off. And I kept asking people, there was that girl, no, Prashali, she was talking to me. वो कहाँ चलेगी? So they said, वो तो चली गई, ma'am. And I kept looking for you and I was waiting to meet you next.
And here
She
I
does this disappearing act.
Yeah, I do that. I appear and मैं प्रकट होती हूँ and then अप्रकट होती हूँ, if there is a word like that.
You like to keep this sense of mystery around you.
Yeah.
Which is intriguing. I like it.
I try. I try. So it's basically just my whimsical creative. You see, I've again put up something on the Facebook that a relationship with a creative person is very difficult because you're very whimsical.
Moody, very
I can imagine.
And when I switch off, I'd rather not.
And a creative person can never be in a relationship with a non-creative person. I feel.
It's very difficult.
It's very
Not creative by profession, creative by mindset.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah.
talking creative mind. I'm not
Right.
talking about whether I write or whether I take photographs. That's not
You know,
the
creative
aspect.
people give a lot of, chances to a relationship because they keep giving benefit of doubt for everything. And I can read Roshali somewhere down the lines that, she keeps giving a chance because creative people want things to happen, want things to be set right, want things to be happier, want things to be peaceful. And that is how I define Roshali.
Okay, thank you. That's embarrassing. Let's focus back on you guys.
No,
Are you?
it's your
Roshali, don't want to put a face to this wonderful explanation.
Come
Come na.
come.
We want you here. I want you here.
क्या देखना?
तो बंद ना हो जाए ऐसा
हाँ,
हो कि मैं यहाँ ही 12 मिनट खत्म.
Of course not.
There you go.
Dun dun dun.
The interview
I come once in a while
beautiful
on
photographs
camera.
you all see is they all are
Is
clicked by
this
her.
beautiful face?
Yes.
Thank you.
ये
Light,
talented
अभी
female.
अभी आप लाइट नहीं ले रहे हो? हाँ.
नहीं.
नहीं किसी.
No, किसी की भी
This is
नहीं.
your
इतना अच्छा
time.
मेकअप हो रहा है ना लाइट की जरूरत नहीं.
Trust me. And Roshali is the strength behind all of us being here. And she captures us like this.
Yeah, that's my job.
Yeah.
And I
What
love
a
it.
swell job you do at it.
Thank you. Because I love it.
Because you do justice to every situation in your life. That's how
I try
you are.
to, yeah. Give it my best.
Yeah. Zindagi na milegi dobara.
I can feel that you're getting so awkward that I can cut it with a knife.
Get away from me.
Camera conscious.
Rushali, okay, everybody. Now Rushali is going to say one joke to all the viewers. Come on, Rushali.
I'm the worst joke teller because
I know because every time
I
someone
never
asks me to say a joke, and I'm like, why? That's the worst question. That's the worst thing you can do to someone. Yeah, say one joke. Say one joke.
Okay, to save my life.
Say one bad thing about each one of us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, bad thing.
Yeah,
Because we don't want to
something
hear good
negative.
things.
Okay.
Too much sweet.
Because we're tired of hearing
Yeah, I
how
swear, man.
nice we are.
Yeah, exactly.
Please,
We're too
please,
nice.
please tell us our
Weaknesses.
Aditi, I think
Critic.
Aditi switches off very fast.
Yeah.
She goes into her own zone, and that's my observation. Then Varun, I really don't know too well to say much, but I think he's too accommodating. That's his bad point.
I agree.
He'll just, I asked him 3 times the first time I met him, or the second time was it, when we were on the set the first time. And I asked him, do you want to do your lines? Do you want to do your lines? And he was like, no, it's okay. I said, please tell me to buzz off whenever you need me to. And
I did
he was
want to do
like-
my lines. Yeah.
He did want to do, I could read it on his face, but he
Mera
didn't want me to
bacha.
leave.
Because I'm lines.
Again.
Okay, one thing about her.
Shot ready?
ठीक है, alright, shot ready. Let's go. Puppo, I'll talk about you.
Puppo
have
is
to tell me.
perfect.
Ek cheez, okay.
1 second.
Puppo, again, this is the second time I'm meeting her, and I've only found a grace where she's concerned. So really nothing to say about. And I really didn't know that she had looked out for me. No, मुझे अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं मिला. मिलेगा तो मैं ज़रूर बताऊंगी because I'm a pretty frank person. I will definitely say it to
That
her
is
face.
true.
We share similar pain together.
Oh my God.
Me and Vishali. I think that is why she cannot find anything
Was
else.
that right?
I have no idea. I mean,
What-
probably she knows about me and I don't know about that. So
Interesting.
yeah, sometimes shared
Very,
needs,
very
kindred
interesting.
souls. Alright. Anyway, we'll cut here.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye. See you. कबूल है.
So much.
इसी बात में मेरा शॉट रेडी हो गया चलो
Okay.